Ta-da!
A missile.
Ta-da!
A missile.
A rocket, idiot.
Literally, why?
Astro lives on the moon, right?
He isn't on the moon. He is the moon.
Same thing, fish breath.
Fish breath.
We can talk to him directly.
Wait, where did you even get this rocket?
I built the rocket.
You're gonna trust a rocket built by scraps?
This is a great engineer. She built these two to show us.
I'm not giving him that thing.
Calm down, pond of breath. It's plenty safe, see?
Lame.
Well, that was a complete failure.